Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find the AI DJ on Spotify. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the Spotify application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already using your login credentials. Now after you are logged into your account, you will be taken into your homepage. Now from the homepage, if you already have a premium subscription, then you can simply tap on the Music tab at the top section, and this will automatically open the AI DJ on Spotify. However, if this doesn't open it up, then you will simply need to subscribe for a premium subscription. Tap on the premium option at the bottom right corner and then tap on Get Premium. Now you will be asked to proceed with your payment method for your premium account. Just choose your payment method and then tap on the Continue button to proceed with your payment for your premium plan. After you have proceeded with your payment and subscribed to a premium option, you can simply tap on the Music tab from the homepage and it will automatically open the AI DJ on your Spotify account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find the AI DJ on Spotify. If you still do not find it, then make sure your application is updated to the latest version. Open up the iOS App Store or the Google Play Store and then simply search for Spotify. Once you find the application, if you see an update button instead of open, then tap on it to install the latest updates. Once the update is installed, you can tap on the open button and you will be able to find the AI DJ underneath the Music tab. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to find the AI DJ on Spotify. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.